So today we're going to look at two different ways of preparing homemade coconut milk using natural coconuts. The first method is going to be cold press. We're going to use a slow speed juicer, and the second method going to be a blender. We're going to compare and we're going to see what the differences are. Stay tuned. As you can see here from the slow speed juicer, the trash is completely dry. There's absolutely no residue. Keep watching. Ensure you alternate water with coconut pieces when you're doing it in the juicer. This way your juicer won't get jammed up. Yeah man, now it's time for the blender method. Yeah man, and now you'll need to strain this properly using a sieve or a cheesecloth. Conclusion: the yield was the same. The only noticeable difference was after leaving the jars in the refrigerator for a few hours, when they settle, you could see that the blender method, the cream from the coconut separated from the water. So you will need to shake that properly before you use it. With the juicer, it did not separate as much. The milk remained pretty much white and milky. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.